Actually, you don't have to wake up in early morning to becoming successful. Although you can make your own choice and set up the time that whenever you wake up, you have to make your own time that is the most flexible for you, for most suitable for you to do your workout, to do your challenges and to specific of your task. People who have very less flexibility and accountability toward their time, they have very less chances to achieve their dreams. The people who have so much accountability toward their time, they have more time and they have more resources and planning toward getting successful. So meaning is that you don't have to wake up in the morning and watch the YouTube videos and then think about that and make the plan that what you have to do. You don't necessarily need any type of the motivation, just you have to sit down and set a specific type of the strategy and planning for the specific time of the specific time period and just work on that consistently.